The Sony A7S series has always been a mystery in motion, quietly shaping modern low-light cinema while leaving creators guessing its next move. With no official confirmation yet, the A7S IV has become one of the most debated camera rumors of 2026, fueled by leaks, sensor prototypes, and shifting Sony strategy. At the center of current discussions is a possible shift in Sony's entire video ecosystem. The A7S III, launched in 2020, still holds strong as a low-light benchmark, but it now shares nearly identical core technology with the FX3, which has blurred the line between mirrorless and cinema design. This overlap is one reason many analysts question whether the A7S IV will even exist as a traditional alpha body or be absorbed into the cinema line. Most consistent 2026 leaks point toward a new 16-megapixel full-frame, partially stacked sensor designed specifically for video-first performance. Reports suggest this sensor prioritizes large pixel architecture for extreme low-light capability, faster readout speeds, and reduced rolling shutter. The rumored output sits around high-quality oversampled 4K, potentially from approximately 5K capture, keeping the A7S philosophy intact. Resolution is secondary, purity of image is everything. One of the most discussed upgrades is frame rate capability. Leaks and prototype chatter suggest 4K high-speed recording up to 240 frames per second in controlled modes, pushing Sony closer to next-gen slow-motion cinema workflows. Combined with improved heat management and advanced autofocus tracking, this would position the A7S IV far beyond the A7S III's 4K 120 frames per second ceiling. However, competition has evolved sharply. Canon's EOS R series is advancing in high-resolution hybrid video, while Nikon's Z series focuses on RAW-centric video due to RED integration. This creates a strategic dilemma. If Sony releases the A7S IV, it needs to distinguish itself from FX3 cinema bodies while fitting into a crowded video camera lineup. Some believe Sony may merge the A7S and FX philosophies into shared sensor platforms instead of keeping them separate. Thanks for watching. The A7S IV is an exciting possibility for Sony, focusing on speed, sensitivity, and smarter video processing. What do you think Sony should prioritize next? Resolution, raw workflows, or pure low-light dominance? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.